God did not come in the form of AI. Came in human form.
Yes. So, Luke, you remind us of Jesus's words as a repentant criminal. Today you will be with me in paradise. And Jesus could have said, as you said in the sermon, Jesus could have said, you will be in paradise. You're going to get there too. Didn't. Said, you will be with me. What does it mean for us practically to live as people who are never alone because of that promise? Not just in whatever life to come, but now. Like, how do we internalize that? How do we get that in our bones? Because, wow, we humans are lonely.
With. Yes, I think there is a kind of internalization and all of that. But the with, funny enough, at least on earth, as it is in heaven, has to do with being with one another.
Yeah, there we are.
It has, how do we discover this with God, right? Or Emmanuel, God with us. It's by being with other people. That's how it's together. Not one person forms the body of Christ. The body is together, the connective tissue. So how are we gathering? How are we sharing? How are we breaking bread? And you know what's interesting? I'm just seeing my headphones. We are with whoever made this. Like it's a tangible connection.
Yeah.
The microphone.
Yep.
We're and we don't normally think about this, that the laptops, the microphones, we are always with, even when we're engaging with reading something from the Bible. Well, somebody wrote that, right? We are with them and with the people caught up in the stories of these other people. So in truth, we're never by ourselves.
No.
We're never by ourselves. It's what Dr. King talks about, that we live in this kind of, I'm paraphrasing, this network of mutuality, interrelatedness. And he has this wonderful quote in talking about how, you grab in the morning, you're using soap from this country and you drink tea from this country. And then by the time you go to work or whatever, you've engaged all these parts of the world, right?
That's right.
So we are always with someone, something, a tangible connection. Somebody put this together, right?
Yeah.
And the deep desire of the with-ness is, think about what people were hearing about AI.
Yeah.
They have their personal assistants and they have voices and all of this. And I mean, this has been going on. I mean, even before the AI, but robots, I understand, for seniors, companionship and all of these things. Yeah. But what we have to be careful of, and because alone together, you use that phrase, but that's also a title of a book by Sherry Turkle. Sherry Turkle, I don't know if she's still at MIT or not, but she did a lot of work on social studies of technology and that kind of thing. But her subtitle was Alone Together, Why We Expect Less from Each Other and More from Technology, or more from technology and less from one another. So this is the piece. People think I'm with someone if I'm dealing with AI, I'm chatting with AI, and then I have the chat bot or whatever.
Yeah.
But you're not with a human flesh, the incarnation. I mean, that's a whole other thing. But I do think there's something about that. It shows the desire for connection again, and the desire to be with. And I would just challenge us all. And how do we discover the critical nature of the internal with-ness of God, the triune dance, the perichoresis, the Trinity? That how do we? Well, by engaging, relating with other people.
Yes.
Right. That becomes a critical part of this, of discovering what it means to be with God. It has to do with being with other people. That's how we discover what that can mean, And I know COVID and even before that, but I think COVID pressed us into isolation in ways, and I think we're still recovering or walking through, maybe not even just walking through this different season.
Yeah,
I think in the church and ways of gathering, and there's fruit. We can do this. And
exactly.
So there, it's not to say, oh, get rid of all the technology. That's a way of connection. I understand. But it shouldn't be a replacement for face-to-face in the flesh. It should be a supplement of.
Yes.
And that's different.
Yeah.
God did not come in the form of AI. Came in human form.
Yes, absolutely.
And that should mean something for the church, at least of followers of Jesus.
Yes.